stores one value, but if you want to store multiple value, like you want to store color, many colors, then instead of having many variables like color 1, color 2, color 3, so instead of that, if one variable is used for storing multiple values, then you have to use array. So array is simply declared by using this way, and values are given in between a square bracket. So if you are storing string, then give double quotes or single quotes. Suppose color name I am giving red. You can store, now this is, we are storing string type of values, and you have to put comma for next value, red, blue and green. Suppose I want to store three values, green, so you have to use double quotes or single quotes. So how we'll print? Now to declare the variable, this is array object. Array object means it can be it can have properties and methods also. So you can use property. Now what is the use actually? If there are 1,000 employees, you want to store their name, so you will not create that many variables. So using single variable, you can store multiple value. Now how to print this? So to print this, we will use document.write to print all the values. Why this array use? So that you can easily access any element. Now these are called elements of an array. So you can access any element very easily. That I'll show you how to do. But first we'll print. So how to print? So use double quotes. Now this is name of array in document.write. Write name of array. What is the name of array? Color. So save it. Every JavaScript code is saved by extension .html. Give any name but give .html extension. Now already I had given the name. Now we'll run this. Now here double dot space is given. So we'll print now. Here spelling mistake is there, so it was not printing. So we got all the three answers. See, red, blue, green, and if you want a new line, then use br. Now this is a array of strings, means characters. If you want to store number, then you can store number also. So we can write, suppose declare another variable, array variable. So array is also called object. Object means you can then use methods and properties. So use square bracket to declare. So array can be declared in three ways. So I am showing you now literals only. Then in next or if we get, it will become lengthy otherwise. Three ways means this is literal type, or you can store by using new keyword, or by using constructor also you can store. So and to store number. So when you're storing any number, don't use double quotes. So close this square bracket. Now and to print, again use document.write. Now I'll use alert. For this you can print by alert also, or by using document.write also. So one by alert I am giving, one by this. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40. This is by alert we got, this by this. So you can store array as numbers also, as character form also, or mix also. Suppose I want to store mix type. So for mix type, how to do? So here I'll write, suppose var info. So suppose info, like person information I want to store. So what I'll write? So like his name and age. So info, like put in square bracket. Suppose name. So again, whenever you're storing string, then you have to use, suppose his name is ABC, comma age. Suppose age is 21. Close the square bracket. Now this also will print by alert. You can print by any method output. So use round bracket, that is parenthesis. What is the array name? Info. So write here info. Run it. So this is first answer, that is numbers. This is this, and again one more you have to put here, semicolon. And we want to print alert T is remaining, so we didn't got this answer. So this is 1020. See this we got ABC, and by this we got this. Now this is by, so mixed type, this is called mixed type of array. This is string type of array. This is number type of an array. This is mixed type array. Now you can access any value of the variable, that is of array, by using index. These are stored in index. Now suppose I want to access only 20. Very first index is stored at 0 and second element is stored at index 1. Suppose I want to print, now this is at 0 index, this is at 1. So any element you can access by using index value. So I can access its value. Suppose now I am saying alert. Now first it will print info total answer, and then next suppose I want to print only what is at what is the value at index, we can say at 1, because this is at 0, so I want to print 1. So 1 I'll give. So 1 means what is the value at that index. So to give here square bracket. So if you want more details, so using new keywords, so I'll show you in next video, because this will become very lengthy. So we got, see at last the answer what we got. See now this is this 21, this we got by, that is by info 1. So what is the value at 1 index? That is index that is, it is 21. So this is the array, but you can create array even by new variable. Okay, we'll complete here only. So you can create array by using new also, by using new constructor. We'll see first. Suppose here student name, so we'll store his marks, or we'll give marks, name is marks. So you have to declare by using keyword new, you have to use keyword array. A should be capital, and you have to give empty, and then give semicolon, and below that you have to give the marks. So first value at that index, that is at first index, that is array, very first element of an array starts at index 0. So here if I say, now I'm storing the value in that array. So array can be declared this way also. So you have to give round bracket, or you can declare even by constructor. So first we'll see by this. You can store any number of values. Suppose I want to store, suppose here I want to store 100. Mixed type also value you can store. So I'm storing two values, marks. Suppose at 1 I'm storing 200, or I'll give suppose 90. Okay, because marks we are storing 90. Now we'll print this. So for printing we'll use alert. So marks will write. So this is by using array. So we'll print now. So this we got this. So this 190. So this we got by this answer, last answer, that is by alert, we got by using new keyword. You can even declare array by using that is immediately by constructor also. So constructor is, suppose I am saying suppose student info, and to write that is so immediately you have to stu new keyword you have to use. So by constructor also you can create an array, but here immediately you have to give the values. So remember that when you are using array keyword you have to use round bracket. Then here suppose student info I am writing his suppose name A and his and double quotes you have to use, and comma suppose I am using his city. Okay, name is A, city is you have to use double quotes here because string we are storing, and his suppose pin code, anything I am writing. Okay, pin code. So we'll print. So this way, so this is a third method of declaring array. So you can store not only, see in array you can store strings, whole string or mixed string or even numbers also. So array can not only store these numbers and characters, but also store array, but also store function, but also store object. So we'll see that. So this is third method. This is called constructor method by using constructor way. So now we'll print. So our answer is in stu. So you have to give same name here. Now we'll see. These are, so very last answer what we'll get. See here, A Mumbai this. So this is another method which we got by constructor. So there are three ways by using literals. So these are all are literals, and by using when you are using new keyword, so that is another method, and when you are using new keyword with array and immediately assigning the value to the array index, that is then this is called constructor method. So these are, one more is there, that is empty array, and then you can assign that value into that empty array. Suppose I am saying city. So city, so you have to write empty and then you can assign that value also. So you can keep this array as empty. So this is fourth method. You can, and then you can assign the value to it, or any previous array. Suppose this way also you can do, and you can then store the values into it. So very first value is stored at which index? 0 index. So city, suppose I am saying equal to, you have to use suppose Pune, and one more I'll store, city is equal to Nagpur. So I'll print now. So this is fourth way, that is by empty array. Then now I'll print alert by using, you can print by document.write also. Now city I'll write, save it, run it. So these are all answers. See now last answer, see Nagpur we got, and here, so here we have to write one is missing, so it had given only Nagpur, so I'll write here 1. Now I'll write, so got it, Pune Nagpur. So you can subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you. If you're new, you subscribe. Hope you understood. Thank you.